We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning everybody. Welcome to my video lecture on BCD to 7 segment LED display. I hope you'll like it. LED, light emitting diode. It has 2 terminals, positive anode and cathode. Cathode is negative, or it is at lower potential, or we can say it is earth. We can also call it digital zero. Anode is a positive potential, higher potential, or we can call it digital 1. So these 7 LEDs are arranged in the form of a single display package. Whichever LED we want to glow, we can make that glow by giving proper supply. And so you can get the characters from 0 to 9 numeral characters. These LEDs can be connected into different modes. If all the positive terminals are connected together, then we call it a common anode configuration. You can see all the positive terminals are connected together, they are tied together, and all the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, one end of the LED is open. Whichever LED we want to glow is given supply. With supply, it will be given lower potential as compared to this higher potential. So it will be given connected to ground when we want this to glow. You can see here all the anode side are connected to higher potential. Whenever we want to glow A LED, then A segment is given earth, or it is given 0 voltage. If we want to glow E LED, E LED will be connected by 0 volt. There will be potential difference and hence it will glow. Similarly, we have common cathode configuration. This configuration, all the cathodes are connected to the ground, and the anode terminals, whichever LED we want to glow, will be connected to higher potential, and that LED will glow. As you can see in this connection, it is same. Whichever LED we want to glow will be given higher potential, and that is why we call it a high voltage or logic high. You can see the decimal numbers from 0 to 11, and then BCD code and binary pattern. BCD code means binary coded decimal. It is also known as 8421 code. This BCD is 8421 code, and this is equivalent to binary pattern till the number 9. After 9, BCD is 4 bit per digit. So here for single digit 9, we have 4 bits, as well as for binary as well as for BCD, both are same. For example, for decimal 4, it can be represented as in binary, that is MSB 0100. MSB is 0. Again, LSB is also 0, that is least significant bit, and this is most significant bit. So the weight of this most significant bit is to the power 3, that is 8. Then this number is to the power 2, 4. This is to the power 1, that is 2. And for this to the power 0, that is 1. So these are weights in the binary pattern. And you know that the face value 0100 is multiplied by their corresponding weights to get the decimal number. So 0 into 8, 1 into 4, 0 into 2, 0 into 1, that will be equal to 4. So if we have this digital input 0 1 0 0, that means that is equivalent to BCD 4 or decimal 4. You can see this how from here BCD input is given to decoder and decoder gives the output in the form of display, numerical display for 4, that is the equivalent to BCD input which is given 0 1 0 0. In this A is least significant bit and D is the most significant bit. Now this is a demux or demultiplexer which gives you more than one output as compared to input whichever it wants to. Here it is connected to C because the inputs is 0 0 1 0, so this switch is connected, so BCD is getting 0 1 0 0, so output we have to B, C, F and G will glow to display decimal 4. Similarly, to glow 9, the input will be 1001. So A and D switch will be closed and subsequently here the LEDs will glow in such a way so as to get here 9 digit. Now we move on to truth table for common cathode configuration. You can see in this configuration, it is also called logic high configuration. The cathodes of all the LED are connected together to the common ground. Whichever LED we want to glow is given higher potential at this end. This end is already grounded, so higher potential is given to this end, so it will glow because some current will pass through it. Separate resistances is connected in each LED so that only some definite amount of current should pass through that LED. For decimal digit 0 to 9, corresponding BCD input is as shown in table. Now we want to see the decimal display for digit 4. Now for 4, B, C, F and G LED should glow. And so B, C, F and G LED should be given higher potential. That is why it is written 1 under B, C, F and G. That means higher potential or digital 1. Now we move on to common anode configuration, and the truth table for common anode configuration is given as this, also called logic low. The LED in this configuration, each LED's anode is connected together and given higher potential. Whichever LED we want to glow should be given a lower potential, so that because of the potential difference, current will flow through that LED. Here again, we'll take example same 4 display. To display 4, again B, C, F and G should glow. In order to glow these LEDs, they should be given lower potential. So we give lower potential means grounded or lower, that is digital 0. So B, C, F and G are given 0. We can compare those two configuration. You can see that B, C, F and G were given 1 and in common cathode configuration, and B, C, F and G are given 0 in common anode configuration. If we want to glow 1 in this configuration, that is logic low configuration, B and C should be given 0. See, B and C are given 0, rest all are given 1. Similarly, for common cathode configuration, to glow 1, B and C should be given 1 higher. Rest all are given 0. That's all for this video lecture. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for viewing.